Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create customer and manage customer information. So to add a new customer, you click on customer menu here and click on add customer. So you enter the information here as required correctly. You enter them, and when you're done with that, you're going to just submit it. But let's input something and see how it works. So as you're filling, you're going to make sure that every information you're filling here is or are all incorrect. Okay, you can put on the opening balance, 100,000, customer ID. Just click on. I'm clicking because of this video. I'm selecting anything just to show you how it works. But if you're inputting yours, you're going to make sure that all the information you're getting that you're inputting are all correct and adequate for that particular customer. So we're almost done here. There is a marketing. Let's take this. Okay, so we're almost done. So once you're done feeling like I just did, you come here and click on submit. Yeah, it has been recorded successfully. And secondly, if you want to view your customers, you still come down to the customer menu, click on manage here, take your cursor to this place, to this drop down and click on customer. Immediately you're going to see this. So this is where the customer information, you can access the information of your customer directly from here. And again, if you want to check for the import customer to if you want to import customers badge upload, so you are going to click on the customer, then you come down to manage. You drop down here, you place your cursor on the import badge upload. So you're going to enter the correct opening balance date. So once you're done with that, select the category if there is any specific one. And then the next thing for you to do is to browse the CSV file to import. This is a CSV file. So you just browse. When you're done, you're going to click upload customer. So when you do that, it's going to upload successfully. So this is how you can create your customer and manage your customer information. Thank you for watching.